It is April unto or, and I'm in Minneapolis making videos of BNSF Trons, and unfucking fortunately, it's raining out. So it's fucking up. I gotta stay in the car to make the video. Oh god, that sucks. It had the fucking rain though. At least I got a Tron video while I was here. I don't know how much I zoomed in by. Oh my god, almost. Yeah, unfucking fortunate I had to distort the quality of the video. I don't think the camera is waterproof, unfucking fortunately. So this is the only way I can get the video in, unfucking fortunately. But it's better than not getting a video of the Tron at all. If I didn't have the windshield wipers on, it would cover up the fucking... The rain would fuck up the ability to get a good video of the Tron. And that's the end of the Tron. So those who get the... So those... What the fuck was I gonna say? Oh, what the fuck was it? I'm so glad I have Asperger's. That's what I was gonna say. Is I make the most interesting Tron videos in the world. Nobody makes more interesting Tron videos than I do. If people don't like my videos, fuck them. They're not my real friends anyway. My real friends are the cool people who like my videos, and I'm so glad I have Asperger's because I make. Oh, I already said that. People get to see my videos and hear my spoken words are the chosen people, even if they don't like it. And if they don't like it, it means they have a stick up their ass. So if they get to be exposed, so if they're one of the chosen people, that gives them the chance, an opportunity to pull that stick out of their ass. Most people will choose to keep that stick in their ass. They'd rather be miserable, uptight, and bitchy, and irritable. But the people who choose to pull that stick out of their ass, at the beginning, a bunch of diarrhea is probably going to come out, but it's well worth it because it's like having a colon cleanse and a brain cleanse. And then they'll cause a person, after that diarrhea is gone, they'll have an open mind, they'll turn cool, and they'll be happy, and they'll appreciate someone like me. And I'm so glad at least I got Untron video in while I was sitting here waiting.